Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for garlic and rosemary bread. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So in the medium bowl of a stamp mixer, first we add our bread flour. Then we add our plain all-purpose flour. To that we add some dried yeast. Then we add some salt. Some sugar. Some Italian seasoning. Olive oil. Some freshly crushed black pepper, our finely sliced rosemary, crushed garlic, and finally some lukewarm water. Put that on just for about a minute to get everything incorporated, then turn the speed up to high and let it knead for about 5 minutes. As you can see, our dough is done, and now it's time to remove it and put it into another bowl. If you find at this stage that your dough is a bit sticky, just add another half cup of flour and put it back on for a few seconds. Now folks, if you find value in what I do, don't forget to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel. So now we transfer our freshly kneaded dough into a bowl that has been lightly greased in olive oil. Cover it with a tea towel, pop it in a warm place and let it rise till it doubles in size, roughly about an hour. So we lightly flour our bench and we transfer our dough onto it. So we give our dough a quick knead and then we form it into whichever shape we wish. You can either go for a long loaf like a traditional garlic bread, or a round loaf like a pizza bread. So now that our dough is kneaded, we take it and we add it to a baking tray which has been covered with grease-free paper which has been lightly floured. Again, we cover it with a tea towel and let it rest for about 45 minutes. While this is resting, we preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 centigrade. And once our dough is ready, we brush it down with an egg wash. Then using a sharp knife, we just score 3 lines into the top of our freshly risen loaf. Sprinkle with some chopped rosemary, some coarsely ground sea salt. Now we take our bread over to our oven. Carefully place the loaf in the preheated oven and bake until the top is brown and the middle is hollow. This is normally about 25 or 30 minutes. So now we let our bread cool down and it's time to serve. Now folks, I just slice mine down the middle, cut it into slices and serve it with some fresh butter. It goes really well with Italian dishes, pasta dishes, pizza. So if you like this video, again, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And again, thanks for watching.